Good morning, guys. It is a day in the life of quarantine today, and I just felt like vlogging for some reason, and I thought I should take you guys along with me. I honestly have no agenda today, like literally none, and I'm just going to see how the day unfolds, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. So let's do this. 6 in the morning right now, and I have just made myself a cup of coffee. So I just got done making my bed, and I feel like that's such a great way to start your day. I feel like I already have accomplished so much. Can you see that I'm sweating from just making my bed? Right now I'm just going to finish that coffee I made and start some yoga. I have been following yoga with Adrian. So I'm just going to go change quickly, and that's what I'm going to go do now.
Ryan Little.
I just got done doing my morning yoga, and I feel like this is such a great way to trick my body into thinking that I'm just going to do some light stretches, and then now my body is really warmed up, so I am ready for my workout. So I'm going to do a 20 minutes workout. I'm thinking of starting the Chloe Ting's 2 weeks challenge, or I think it's the 28 days challenge, and yeah, I think I'm just going to do that. I've never done this before, so good luck to me, I guess. This is what the video looks like. I'm going to link the video down below, and now it's time to get sweaty. Alright guys, I just got done working out. I'm gonna do a quick 10 to 15 minutes cool down session, take a shower, and see you for breakfast.
You guys, I'm making oat and banana pancakes so they're healthy.
And that's what I'm gonna make for breakfast today. I was watching Shivesh. I love his work. If you guys don't follow him, please go subscribe to Bake with Shivesh. He's got some amazing tutorials, and I absolutely love his Instagram feed, so huge shout out to him. I am going to try and make oats and banana pancake today for breakfast. I am famished, like I could literally eat whatever comes my way right now. These pancakes turned out way nicer than I expected it would, and it's time to eat this. I will see you after breakfast. So I'm filming a get ready with me video, and I'm watching Westworld while I am doing a little massage on my face. I just filmed a get ready with me and got ready, did my makeup on, and I'm really hungry right now. It's around 1 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna go make lunch now and prep for it. I was thinking of making Matar Paneer because I have all of the ingredients, and I had watched a video and it looked so good. I'm going to link the recipe down below, and yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do now. So this is what my lunch looks like. I have some brown rice and some salad that I chopped up real quick, and this paneer turned out so good, you guys. I am so excited to try this. I'm going to call my parents as I eat lunch. I hope she picks up my call. Her phone's My mom's phone is always busy. She's always talking to someone else. Oh, hello mama, namaste. Mama, খাবার বানিয়েছি দেখো। আমি ব্লগ করছি। এখন অবধি খাওয়া হয়নি, মাত্র বের করলাম, গরম হয়ে আছে তো আমি ছুটছি না। ও প্যানকেক অনেক সুন্দর। এই যে আমি ব্লগ করছি, আমার ব্লগকে হাই করো। হাই, কি করছো তুমি? বসাতে হবে। Guys, I just ate my lunch and now I'm so sleepy. I've literally been in bed doing nothing for like 30 minutes now. I've just been like mindlessly scrolling through my Instagram and just reading all your comments. I just put this picture up. I took it today. Once I got done filming my video, I got my laptop to kind of do something productive, but it's not really happening. I think it's time for me to drink some green tea or something. I really don't want to sleep in the afternoon because that means I won't be sleeping early tonight, and that means I will wake up late and then I feel like the whole day is wasted. I wanted to show you guys the green tea that I'm really liking these days. It's from Taifu and it's called the Purifying Super Greens, and I love that it has matcha in it. So we have matcha, moringa, sencha and green tea, and the flavor of matcha like really stands out, and it's got like such nice ingredients, especially like moringa. It's very good for you and your overall health and immunity. And yeah, I think it's time for me to drink some green tea because I am so sleepy. Hey guys, it's quite later in the day now, and my camera had died, so I had to charge the battery, and while that was charging I was editing a video and I completely forgot to vlog. I got done editing this video right here. I really hope you guys watched this, enjoyed it. This is the high-end nude lipstick edition. I know I'm gonna get questions about which app I'm using. This is the Final Cut Pro 10. I don't know which version this is. Let's find out. This is the version 10.4.8 and I got it from the App Store right here. And yeah, so that's what I use to edit. And this video is already up. If you haven't watched it, then I'm going to link it right here so you guys can go watch it. I also have an affordable version of the same, so you guys can go watch it. I read someone's comment saying that, oh, what's with all the filters? Dude, there's no filter. There's literally no filter. You can literally see all my pores in there. Like, how much more real do I have to get? Honestly, I'm just so tired of giving disclaimers for everything. People have like so many assumptions about the 0.5% of the life that you get to see that I choose to show. I mean, someone just commented on this meme kind of picture I posted about Bumble date, and people are like so ready to jump into conclusions about, oh, you're so sad just because, you know, other people younger than you are dating. Why aren't you dating? Oh, you have everything, money, fitness, but you don't have a boyfriend. Like, excuse me, I'm sorry, I don't need a boyfriend to define my existence. I mean, sucks to be you if you think that way. I know I shouldn't be letting all these things affect me, but it does. Dude, I'm human. And like, get a sense of humor. It's supposed to be something that is super lighthearted. And yeah, but so if you've noticed, I have withheld all comments as well. Like, I really can't, because I spend so much time editing. Like, really, like, I had put so much effort into that what I eat in a day video, and everyone's like, oh my god, you don't eat Indian. I'm like, dude, that's like one day of video. How would you know what I eat? I always put up everything I eat on Instagram. Dude, there's palak paneer in the video. How's that not Indian? Anyway, I hope my matar paneer makes it up for that. But dude, I eat everything. That was just what I was eating that day. So anyway, I had spent so much time editing that video because it was just so much footage from the entire day, and I really wanted to make it different. I want to put some effort in it, and I did. I was so excited to put it up because it's been such a highly requested video. And yeah, and then I was like, you know what, it's not worth it. The comment section, I know there are hundreds and tons of people that write nice things, but like sometimes just one of those bad ones really get to me. And that day I almost felt like quitting that platform. I'm not even going to lie, but it's fine, whatever. um that's why I have like put all my comments under review, and I've like whenever I get the time I kind of like approve everything. I can you tell I'm hungry? It's time for dinner. So for dinner I like to keep it really light. So soup is something that I usually eat. Uh, do you eat soup or do you drink soup? Can you tell I need to sleep? So I usually take my dinner like 1.5 hours before I sleep, and this is by no way me asking you to eat like I do. Eat whatever suits you, and eat as much as your appetite allows. Um, yeah. So now that all the disclaimer is over and you've stopped being offended, I'm gonna go eat my dinner and edit at the same time. A chicken soup, so it's made with spinach and other veggies. I've got some peas, there's some mushrooms in there as well. The time is 10:30 in the night right now, and I am extremely sleepy. Time for me to remove my makeup, so I thought I should do it with you guys and end the day. I'm going to use this makeup melter from Bobbi Brown. I really like it. It's very soft, and it just removes everything. You just like shake it and bump it. It comes out as a foam. I'll show you the other cleansers I have right here. I quite like this one from Ever Youth. I actually made a video about it, and it's super inexpensive, and it's actually really easy to kind of use, and it's actually really nice. I have this all clear one from the Face Shop. This is their one step no rinse formula. This is quite nice and strong as well. I have Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. My camera is actually resting on the Take the Day Off Balm. Do you guys know how it looks like? I also have this one from Vanilla & Co. This is their Clean It Zero, and it's just like the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I moved my camera over to show you my Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. Almost done using it. This is the travel sized one. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown one. Okay, now I'm going to use the Kiehl's Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash to clean my face. So this way I'm double cleansing. The makeup remover removed all of my makeup, and this face wash will cleanse my skin. Okay, now it's time for me to use my A&R. So once that's kind of absorbed into my skin, I'm going to use the Force Essential Ojas Balm. I'm almost done with it. Quite like this replenishing balm that kind of leaves your skin very glowy and dewy and soft and supple. You wake up with such like baby soft skin in the morning. Okay, so once that's in, it's time for some moisturizer. I am going to use this one from Belief. This is their 2 Cream Moisturizing Balm. If I had left any, it's completely over, so I'm gonna have to like really scrape out and get the last of it out. Some real product empty right there. I'm so glad I got the last of it on camera. Yeah, so you use the Ojas Balm underneath the moisturizer, and then I'm going to apply some lip balm. My lip balm's over there. I usually like to keep it next to my bed because I feel like my lips go dry very often, so I like to keep reapplying it. This is Red de Miel from Nukes. It's one of my holy grail products. I can't live without this. And that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to remove my lenses, wear my specs. I also wanted to show you guys my hand wash. I remember showing it, or did I? I don't know. But I got it from Bath and Body Works, and this is the Cinnamon Caramel Swirl Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. Oh, it smells divine. It smells so good. I love the smell of cinnamon. It smells so warm and toasty and delicious. And it comes out as a foam. Let me give you a quick demonstration of how you should be washing your hands too. Please stay safe, guys. I almost forgot to mention that. I really hope you guys are staying indoors and just making sure that you're washing your hands frequently, not stepping outside, and if you have to step outside, you know, for daily necessities or to go to the pharmacy or anything, then please maintain social distancing of like at least a meter from another person. And I really hope you guys are all safe. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Don't waste any water. Feels so good to be in bed. I'm actually gonna video call my cousin Ron. He's in Beijing right now. I just want to make sure that he's okay. So I hope he picks up. Hello! Hi everyone! Guys, it's 12 in the night right now, and I just got done speaking to Ron. I feel like every time I start talking to him, I just don't realize that hours pass by. So it's way past my bedtime now. I have been up super early today, so I am very tired. But I had one of like the best days today. It was just such a nice, productive day, you know. And I'm so glad that you guys were a part of it. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I have a feeling that this one's going to be a very long one. So if you made it this far, then thank you. I hope you're having a great time wherever you are. I'm sending you all my love. Please stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. If you aren't subscribed, then please subscribe and hit on that bell icon so that you're notified whenever I upload my next video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.